today we're going to be building an address flower box out of AZEK Trim board. We've chosen the AZEK Trim to use for this project because it is impervious to moisture, you don't have to worry about insects or rot, and its longevity over time. Some of the tools that you'll need for this project: skill saw, cordless drill, tape measure, a square, pencil, your address numbers, and some trim screws. All right guys, we're ready to start making our cuts. We're gonna need one piece 3'6", one piece 10 inches, and three pieces 7 3/4. First thing we're gonna do is grab our 3'6" board and start our screws to make it easier to put together. Now that we got our screws started, we're gonna grab a 7 3/4 board and add that to the bottom. Now that we got our screws in the bottom, we can stand this up, get a look at our board here in the front. This is our bottom board. We're gonna add our 7 3/4 pieces to the sides. We're gonna go ahead and start our 6 screws on the bottom board. Now we're gonna grab our 10-inch piece and add that to the front of the flower box. I'm gonna go ahead and mark out my screw locations a little bit different here just because I wanna miss the screws that we had previously put in. So I'm gonna measure these out 2 1/4 inches in so we don't have to worry about bumping any of the screws that we had already previously installed. Now that we've got our screws started, we can go ahead and add this to the front of the box. Start with the bottom of the box first. Make sure you got it flush. Now that we have our flower box completed, we're ready to add the house numbers to the front of the boards. A couple different ways we can do this. It really kind of is personal preference. You can take the numbers and put them on vertically, or the way we're going to install these, we're actually going to put these on a little bit of an angle, kind of coming down a little bit nicely. Now that we got our layout figured out for our numbers, we're gonna go ahead and get them attached. All right, with our flower box complete, we're ready to add the flower.